niggas on the premises, I sin, yeah. Zulu nigga with a motherfucking fin spear. I've been clear, get your fucking ass in here. The shit niggas talk don't impress, cause I've been there. I've done that, motherfuckers best to run back. Slap yourself and get your gun checked, cause niggas don't bust like us, don't crush like us. Sniff a little dust, and I feel bust like bust. You ain't ready for this nigga Balotelli, Pelly getting sweaty, cause I'm freaking with your baby. You got a range check, I came to bring the pain back. Rough neck, swinging with the motherfucking cane back. Yes, we've been endorsed by 4 horsemen. The course awesome, never lost the force tossing.